thunder. It is weird out. There's a sign up in there. Well, it's May 2nd. It's about 5 p.m. And that is weird sounding thunder. It's just a rumble, a non-stop rumble. No lightning. Stinks to high heaven. Quoting Shakespeare. Hear it? Maybe it's the mothership passing over. I don't know, I'm looking down south into Missouri. Anything could be happening down there. It looks like it's right about at the border, about 10 miles south here. That's the way it's coming. Oh yeah, that is rain. Well, I guess I'm gonna go in the house, but that thunder has not stopped rumbling. That is weird. I'm gonna go get prepared to be prepared. You guys all stay safe.